You'll need a 50 centimeter length of cord, a 140 centimeter length of cord, and a wooden bead. Fold the 50 centimeter length in half. I'm using a macrame board, which I've covered for aesthetic reasons, and these pins, it makes small jobs much easier. Fold the 140 centimeter length in half, place the middle in behind those cords. Take the left cord over the two middle cords, take the right cord over that cord around the back and through the opening, and pull that snug. Take the right cord over the two middle cords, take the left cord over that cord around the back and through the opening. This is a square knot. And now push that up till it's almost at the top, but you're leaving a little bit of a space there. I'm going to place pins just a little bit wider than the previous square knot and do another square knot. So left cord over the middle, right cord over that cord around the back and through. Right cord over those two cords, left cord over that around the back and through. I'm going to remove those two pins and push up a bit more, and you see I have very tiny loops there. Now I will place pins a little bit wider than the previous loops and do another square knot. I remove those pins and push up. And now you can see the next loops that are acting like branches are a bit wider. I'm putting in a pin just to hold things in place, and now place pins a little wider. And do a square knot. Remove pins and push the knot up. And place the pins again just a little bit wider, and another square knot. Remove pins and push up. And one more time. And then one more square knot. That last square knot acts like the trunk of the tree. And now I'm just going to cut the ends and give those a little bit of a comb. I'm going to use a little bit of twine and feed it through that opening that we left. And feed the twine through that bead and make a little knot. Trim those ends, and that's it.